Students, today we shall continue with the exercise questions on projection and least square solution. Question number 3 is find the projection of B onto the column space of matrix A, where matrix A is given by first row 1 1, second row 1 minus 1, third row minus 2 4, and B is given by B is equal to 1 2 7. We have the formula to find the least square solution, that is x cap equal to A transpose A inverse multiplied by A transpose B, and projection of B onto the column space of A is given by P is equal to A into x cap. The given matrix is A is equal to first column 1 1 minus 2, second column 1 minus 1 4. So we write A transpose as A transpose equal to first row 1 1 minus 2, second row 1 minus 1 4. Now we multiply A transpose and A. So A transpose A is A transpose matrix multiplied by matrix A. That gives 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 2 into minus 2. So first entry is 6. Next, the second entry is 1 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 4. That gives minus 8. Now in the next row, 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 4 into minus 2, that gives minus 8, and second entry is 1 into 1 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 4 into 4, that gives 18. So we are getting A transpose A at matrix 6 minus 8 minus 8 18. Now we require A transpose A inverse. To find A transpose A inverse, we find adjoint of A transpose A. Adjoint of A transpose A is here. We have A transpose A is equal to 6 minus 8 minus 8, 6, 18. So adjoint of A transpose A is obtained by interchanging these two principal diagonal elements and multiplying the other entries by minus 1. So that gives adjoint of A transpose A is equal to 18, 8, 8, 6. And determinant of A transpose A. Determinant of A transpose A is 6 into 18 minus 8 into minus 8. That gives determinant of A transpose A is 44. So substituting this, we write A transpose A inverse as adjoint divided by its determinant. That will be matrix 18, 8, 8, 6 divided by 44. So we write x cap as A transpose A inverse multiplied by A transpose B, where we substitute A transpose A inverse and matrix A transpose and also column B. So we are getting x cap equal to 1 by 44 into 18, 8, 8, 6 multiplied by A transpose. A transpose is 1, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 1, 4 multiplied by column B. Column B is 1, 2, 7. Here, first we multiply these two matrices. Then we are getting 1 by 14 into here. When we multiply this, the entries are 18 into 1 plus 8 into 1. That gives 26, first entry. And the second entry is obtained by multiplying this. That will be 18 into 1 plus 8 into minus 1. That is 10. And the next entry is 18 into minus 2 plus 8 into 4. That gives minus 4. Similarly, we write the second entry, second row entries. That is 8 into 1 plus 6 into 1. That is 14. And then 8 into 1 plus 6 into minus 1. That gives 2. Next, we multiply here 8 into minus 2. That is 8 into minus 2 plus 6 into 4. That gives 8. Next, multiplied by B. B is 1, 2, 7. Again, we multiply this. Then we obtain 1 by 44 into here 26 into 1. Then plus 10 into 2. Next minus 4 into 7. That gives 18. And the next entry, it is 14 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 8 into 7. That will be 74. Or we write it as 1 by 22 into 9, 37. This is the least square solution. Next, we find projection of P onto the column space of A by using the formula P is equal to A into x cap. Here, we substitute matrix A, given matrix, and least square solution x cap. So, we are getting P equal to 1 by 22 into matrix 1, 1, 1 minus 1, minus 2, 4 multiplied by 9, 37. That will be 1 by 22 into, when we multiply this, we are getting column vector or column matrix 46 minus 28, 130. Or we write it as P is equal to 1 by 11 into 23 minus 14, 65. So, the least square solution is 1 by 22 into 9, 37 and the projection of B onto the column space of A is 1 by 11 into 23 minus 14, 65. Now let us work out one more problem on projection and least square. That is question number 4. Solve Ax equal to B by least squares and find P is equal to Ax cap if A is given by matrix 1 0 0 1 1 1 and B is given by B is equal to 1 1 0. Verify that the error B minus P is perpendicular to the columns of A. First, we write the formula to find the least square solution, that is x cap equal to A transpose A inverse multiplied by A transpose B, and projection of B onto the column space of A is P is equal to A into x cap. The given matrix A is 1 0 0 1 1 1. So we write A transpose as first column 1 0, second column 0 1, third column 1 1. Now, when we multiply this, we are getting A transpose A as A transpose multiplied by A. That gives matrix 2, 1, 1, 2. And we find adjoint of A transpose A. Adjoint of A transpose A is 2 minus 1 minus 1, 2. And determinant of A transpose A. Determinant of A transpose A is 2 into 2 minus 1 into 1. That is 3. So, A transpose A inverse is adjoint of A transpose A divided by determinant A. That gives 1 by 3 into matrix 2 minus 1 minus 1 2. So, least square solution becomes x cap equal to 1 by 3 into 2 minus 1 minus 1 2 multiplied by 1 0 1 0 1 1 into 1 0 1. So, when we simplify this, here we multiply these two matrix first. Then we are getting 1 by 3 into 2 into 1 minus 1 into 0, that is 2. Next 2 into 0 minus 1 into 1, that gives minus 1. And 2 into 1 minus 1 into 1, that is 1. Similarly, we write the second row, minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 0, that is minus 1. And minus 1 into 0, minus 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1, that is 2. And similarly, the last entry, we are getting last entry as 1. That is multiplied by 1 0 0. Or we obtain 1 by 3 into 2 into 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 0. That is 1. Similarly, minus 1 into 1, 2 into 1, 1 into 0, that is 1. So, x cap is 1 by 3 into 1 1, or we write it as 1 by 3 1 by 3. So, projection of B onto the column space of A is given by P is equal to x cap, or it is 1 by 3 into matrix A is 1 0 0 1 1 1 into 1 1, that is 1 by 3 into. So we multiply this, then we obtain 1 0 multiply by this, that is 1 into 1 plus 0 into 1, first entry 1. And next row, if you multiply this, we are getting 1 0 into 1 plus 1 into 1, that is also 1. And next we multiply 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1, that gives 2. Or 1 by 3 into 1 1 2, or we write it as 1 by 3 1 by 3 2 by 3. So this is a projection of B onto the column space of A. So here we obtain least square solution as x cap equal to 1 by 3 1 by 3, and projection P is equal to 1 by 3 1 by 3 2 by 3. Now we find error. Error is given by E is equal to B minus P. So where B is given by 1 1 0 minus P. So already we have calculated projection of P onto the column space of A, that is this value. So we substitute P here, that is 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So B minus P is 2 by 3 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Now given matrix A is equal to this, and we obtain B minus P is equal to 2 by 3 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3, and we have to check whether B minus P is perpendicular to the columns of A. To check whether B minus P is perpendicular to the columns of A, we multiply B minus P corresponding entries. We multiply the columns of A with the corresponding entries of B minus P. That is 1 into 2 by 3 plus 0 into 2 by 3 plus 1 into minus 2 by 3. That gives 0. Similarly, when we take the second column, we multiply 0 into 2 by 3 plus 1 into 2 by 3 plus 1 into minus 2 by 3. That is also 0. So here we can say that B minus P is perpendicular to the columns of A.